There's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar.
Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Casey Helton, and in today's video I am bringing you some cleaning motivation as I tackle cleaning my kitchen, and I got a brand new mop that I can't wait to show you. I am so excited about it. I was going over two different options and I finally decided on one, so stay tuned later in this video to see which one I chose and to see how I like it. I decided it was time that I should probably put some little sticky felt pads on the bottom of this copper tray. I never liked it sitting on my marble island, so I put these felt tabs on there, and that way I can slide it around easily, because I never wanted to slide it before. I always took everything off and lifted it up, but now that I have the felt pads on it, I can easily slide it around to clean underneath it. And these are my new olive branches that I got at Hobby Lobby for $5 each on my island. I just think they are so pretty.
So curious, so curious. Your friends have told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is fine.
Also, if you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. I am a homemaking mama of 3 boys and 2 dogs. We have a Boston Terrier and a Pomeranian, and my husband and I have been together for 18 years. I make lots of cleaning, decorating, just all kinds of homemaking and lifestyle videos. So if you're new, I hope that you stick around and hit that subscribe button and say hi in the comments so we can become friends. And thank you so much for stopping by.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever
Having this white sink can be very tricky to clean. It gets lots of stains and scuff marks in it. That is why I always use my barkeeper's friend, and I just sprinkle it in the sink once I've cleaned it, and you see all those scuff marks there and just the stains. After I sprinkle this in and scrub it, it becomes completely clean. It gets down in all those little scratches that may be left behind in the sink, and I just could not live without this cleaning my sink. It is a miracle.
Love was just like in the movies with a happy end. Yeah, but sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low, just talking, taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah.
I am so excited for spring. Everything is blooming in my yard, and this weekend is Easter weekend, so I'm going to be making some Easter goodies in my next video, so stay tuned for that. And my last video, if you haven't seen it already, is my spring and Easter home tour, so make sure you go back and watch that if you have not already.
Back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown.
Alright you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I was debating on which one of these mops to get, and you guys were helping me out so much. A lot of you suggested this shark, and honestly, I think I had already purchased this before I even put that poll up, but then I started to question everything, as I always do. So this is the shark. It's actually very lightweight to pick up. The Shark Steam and Scrub. So it's a steam mop, and I do have a regular Shark steam mop that I've used on pretty much all of my floors. I think I haven't used it in a long time because I don't like it. So that should have been something that tipped me off, but I really like the scrubbing aspect of this mop. But, or this mop. So the reason I bought another one, and I'm going to take this one back, is because it says right here it is designed for sealed hard floors, hardwood, marble, tile, and stone. Well, one of our rooms, the downstairs room, I believe has a luxury vinyl plank, and it is not recommended to use the steam on that. I think I read somewhere that perhaps you could use it on the low setting, but I was just a little worried about that. Also, we do plan on replacing all of our flooring, hopefully soon, in our bedrooms and everything. I want to put hard floor, and I want to replace this floor to kind of tie it all in together. So I'm not sure what that's going to be, and I just want to make sure whatever I get will be good for all of that floor. So I'm going to return the steam mop. But last night, this one's kind of heavy, but I guess because it's rechargeable, and it's got the whole base to it. So last night, my husband and I went and got this mop at Best Buy. I will link both of these. I got this one at Target. This one was a little harder to find. So I did find it at Best Buy. I can link it. They have a version of this mop that plugs in. So I just know myself, and I know that I will not want to wrap that big cord up every time I use it. I will just want to like throw it somewhere. I just hate doing that. So I wanted to get the cordless version of it. I don't think it has like a huge battery life, but I watched plenty of videos on it and everything, and I think it will do, you know, just fine for my needs. I do use a cordless vacuum as well. There's so many vacuums and mops out right now. It's like they have a cordless vacuum that has like a detachable head, and then you put in one of these exact mops with the spinning pads. I don't even remember what it was, but I think it was like really expensive, and I already have the vacuum, so I just got this. It is cordless. It's got the rotating mop pads. It's a sprayer, and it's got a multi-surface cleaning stuff in it. which is kind of what I wanted. I wanted something to smell good when I clean the floor. I just want a cleaning solution. I don't really ever feel like the steam, it doesn't ever really feel that clean after the steam. So I like the solution on the floors. I feel like this is like a glorified Swiffer. So I use my Swiffer all the time, but sometimes I have to like put my foot down on the pad and like use all of my force to scrub the stuff off the floor, and this will just do it all for you. So you spray the solution down and then you just guide it along the way while it does its thing. So I don't really like mopping, and using just a Swiffer to mop is kind of time consuming, and I just think this will be a lot easier. So we are going to open it up and I am going to get it to use. Why not unbox this right here in the kitchen? I still have to vacuum in here first. Yeah, it's much brighter in here. But I've got to vacuum first because I haven't done that yet. But I want to go ahead and get this unboxed. I do have to run some errands. I have to return a few items. Not the mop yet because I'm not going that direction. But I wanted to do just a dedicated all-day cleaning video. But realistically, that's really hard for me to do now. But if that's, let me know if that's something you want to see, more all-day cleaning videos with voiceovers, or just kind of like the vlog style, because I just feel like those videos haven't been doing that great. But this is the best I can do right now. These are the pads, so they're pretty big. I think these are probably the scrubby pads. There's two sets of pads. There's like a soft pad and a scrubby pad. This is the base that you sit it in. They had one on Amazon. It's the same price and it said pet, but it had purple on it. And this one had like a teal blue, and I wanted this one for some reason. But you know what, now that I think about it, I think my vacuum's purple. Why I was obsessing over what little accent color. Oh, it had green on it too. I mean, maybe I should read the instructions. There's something else in there. So we've got two bottles of cleaning solution. I think it's obviously they only recommend you use their cleaning solution in it, but I feel like I've seen videos where people were using their own cleaning solution. I wouldn't recommend that because that's not what they recommend, but you do you, so. They always recommend what's formulated for their machine. Wonder why. I'm gonna say I don't need to read the directions. It just pops right into place, and this is so cool. It stands up all by itself. I love that. Hold on a minute. I want to start recording stuff for you guys on Instagram, so my husband bought me this new tripod last night, as well as this mop. So, let's see. These tripods are expensive. They're like $80. And you're sitting on one now, so I want to be able to film stuff with my phone in. I've got so much going on here. This is my ADD, but I'm like, you know what? Let me film right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this tripod in the middle of unboxing my mop. This is why my videos don't get any views. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh, this is nice. Oh my. This is quite fancy. This is much fancier than...
Oh my god.
Look at those little legs at the bottom. They're kind of funny. I think that'll be fine. All right, YouTube friends. I've got 2 cameras set up right now, so I'm really excited about that. It has this tray that you keep it sitting in when it's at rest, and it comes with the cord and 2 bottles of cleaning solution. So that is one thing I really did love about this mop, is that it uses a cleaning solution so you can have a nice fresh scent on your floor, which is what I really enjoy. So let's get to cleaning. This is very much like a Swiffer, I feel like. If you just fill up the solution, stick it in just like a Swiffer, and then you recline this back. I'm not sure how. Oh, you just tap it, and let's go. Ooh. So I'm squirting the solution out, and I don't have the scrubby pads on, I just have the regular pads. Oh, this is nice. This is so, I'm gonna pick these up. This just glides. I'm liking this.
You take my love for granted.
I honestly had so much fun with this mop. I consider it a recreational activity. It took me so long to mop with my Swiffer. I hated doing it, and I really didn't do it as much as I should have, and I really never did it all at once. But this mop was so fun. I was just thinking, where can I mop next? And it took no time at all. I was so excited to just mop all of these floors, and it was super easy, and I'm so in love with this. I will link this mop down below, and I'll link the other one as well if you're interested in the steam mop. I would assume it's pretty much the same thing, except instead of using the cleaning solution, it's the steam. But like I said, the type of floors that I had, I was worried about it, but this one is amazing. Oh, and another thing is, because it's cordless, I just love it. I could just take it anywhere, and I mopped all of these floors on one charge, so super excited about that. As you can probably tell by now, I spend a lot of time in my kitchen. After all of that mopping, I had to run to the grocery store and get a few things for some dinners I'm going to cook. Tonight I'm going to be making fajitas and margaritas, so that is always fun. But it is now time to wrap up this video, and I'm going to wrap it up by making myself a margarita before I get started on the fajitas. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
From a different place.